The first step to using Yale's Media Manager is to log in. The Media Manager is available to members of the Yale community. The supported formats include digital images, audio, video, and documents. I log into the Media Manager using my NetID and password. After a moment or two, I'm able to access the Media Manager's interface. Okay, so now let's look at the interface in detail. The toolbar menu is highlighted in green, the sidebar in blue, the main view in red, and the palette in yellow. Let's take a closer look at the toolbar menu. We have the ability to hide or display the sidebar menu, hide or display the palette, the main menu, back and forward navigation controls, search and advanced search, my username display, and logout. The sidebar is where I really access and manage my digital assets. So starting with folders, you can see that I have folders I've created personally for myself, and I use these to organize my own personal projects. There's also public folders, categories. These are folders that are used by the Yale Digital Common partners to categorize their material. Assets are assigned a category, and then they're only accessible to those who should have access. So in some, I can see all of the categories, but I can only access the assets that I have access to. Inbox, this is where I look to see if there's a message about my workflow. Jobs. This is where I can see the progress of import or export, and then see the assets associated with that job. And finally, search. This is where I can find recent, saved, or public searches. I'm searching for images taken by Michael Marsland, Yale staff photographer. I put in the search term Branford, and this is what I got. There's a few cool features here. I can use this slider to zoom in, zoom out. I can also use it to show me more or less metadata. I can decide how many assets I want to see per page. And so let's double click on one, see more detail. Here's a detailed view of the image I selected. I'm going to widen the view just to get a better look. So I can see the image on the left, I can see the metadata on the right. This shows me the category and the security code. I can also scroll through and see the whole set of search results. Very nice. The palette offers another way to view and manage your digital assets. I'm going to select my folder titled Multimedia, and I'm going to drag it into the palette. Using the palette, I can view the thumbnails of the assets in the folder, add, remove assets to the folder, resequence the contents of the folder, and navigate the contents of the folder.